Welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to add a room option in the updated x.doc. Room options can be extremely useful when you want to provide your clients with different alternatives for a specific room. Let's say, for example, we're sending a proposal for a Zoom room and want to give the client two different setups from which to choose. Both options are viable, but the cost may vary depending on the items chosen. Start by going to your proposal's Rooms and Items page, where you'd like to add the room option. Look for the Action button, represented by 3 dots, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Reorder Room. A dialog box will open, asking whether you want to copy the items from the current room or start from scratch. For this example, let's choose to copy the items. After confirming, you'll notice an options icon, along with the copied items from Room 1, has appeared. You can easily switch between these options by clicking on the Options button. Like the standard modification process, you can delete or modify any items, as illustrated in Option 2. To add more items to this room option, click the Add Item button. You can add items from the combined library, the x.doc library, or My Library. To modify any item, click the Edit button. This will open the Edit Product Details dialog box, where you can adjust the MSRP, pricing details, and labor. After making your changes, click Save to apply them. Once you've finished making changes to the proposal, navigate to the Action button. From the drop-down menu, select Review and Submit. This will take you to a page where you can send the proposal to your client. To see how the proposal with the room option will appear to the client, click on the Send to Client button. The client will see the proposal as follows. They can navigate to the Rooms and Items page. They'll see both item alternatives, Option 1 and Option 2, with different item lists and prices, along with the price breakdown. They can switch between these options and compare prices to determine which option best suits their needs. When the client is ready to choose between the options, they click the Accept button. They will then be asked to confirm their choice, and they click Accept again. The proposal will be marked as accepted, and only the items in the chosen room option, in this case, Option 2, will be visible to both the client and the sender. The unchosen room option will no longer be available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add room options in x.doc. For more videos and tutorials, log on to x.doc. Thank you for watching.